Ladies and gentlemen, this is the official tour of the Lavadia 2-bedroom terrace. Come on in. Now, the entrance door is accessed by a smart lock feature with safety activated either using fingerprint, a card, or a code. This grand and bright living room space features a mid-century, comfy, soft and relaxing couch, a smart LED TV, halfway windows, AC cooling systems, TV console, hardwood flooring, as well as underneath stair storage solution. It's also got a mini wine storage and a bookshelf, as well as a sitting and reading nook secluded away from the living room for some quiet and privacy. Now, the kitchen space, hugely enormous, features lower drawers and storage spaces with wooden finish, with a glossy 3-in-1 conventional oven and microwave. It's got a pull-out recyclable trash, fancy tiles for the backsplash, marble countertops, heat extractors, a pull-out dish rack with draining systems, as well as top to bottom storage drawers. This kitchen also features a pull-out retractable pantry and overhead cabinets with silver pull-out bars. Conveniently set up as well is a smart double-door cooling refrigerator for storing all of your perishable needs. Contemporary lighting, minimalistic POP design, smart sound system with inbuilt speakers in all rooms are intriguing features of this 2-bedroom terrace. And onto the stairs with a default run-on rug, we head to the cozy but spacious family lounge upstairs, perfect for movie time, relaxation, and conversations with the family. Now, moving on into the master bedroom, we've got a queen-size bed with plush mattress and feathered pillows, a mix of wood and upholstery design for the bed's headboard, floor-to-ceiling windows with nightstands, a single sitting chair, endless terrace views, TV and CCTV monitor for security viewing, his and hers wraparound closets with floor-to-ceiling curtains, storage spaces, the master bathroom with a wash-hand sink, the heater, the standing shower with anti-rust seal, and the very best of sanitary ware. And next we are ushered into the guest room. Now, this snug, airy guest room features beautiful drapes of silk finished curtains, floor to ceiling, soft tactile touch odorless rugs sweep through the entire room, and its accompanying bathroom has got anti-rust stainless steel shower head and accessories in its standing shower. Now, this 2-bedroom terrace also features a spacious box room for storage, as well as a staircase gallery that can be adorned to taste. This living room and lounge downstairs also features a huge storage decor cabinet right by the side of its entrance, as well as a guest washroom. Access to this 2-bedroom terrace home is granted by this smart video doorbell that grants you access to see your guests before letting them in. Bright lights, endearing aesthetics, infinitely spacious living spaces, delicately crafted minimalistic decor, and interiors with state-of-the-art fixtures and fittings. This 2-bedroom terrace truly awakens in everyone the desire to experience the true sense of home.